Welcome back, beautiful souls. Today, we have a special treat for you: homemade face masks that will give your skin a radiant glow. Forget about expensive beauty products. We're going all natural and harnessing the power of ingredients you can find in your kitchen. Let's dive right in and unlock your natural radiance. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a few simple ingredients, you can create your very own face masks that will leave your skin looking and feeling amazing. So, let's get started with our first DIY face mask. Our first mask is perfect for soothing and exfoliating your skin. It's the oatmeal and honey face mask. Oatmeal gently exfoliates, while honey moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of cooked oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply it to your face, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. And voila, you'll have a soft, glowing complexion. For our next mask, we're going to use the power of yogurt to give your skin a refreshing boost. This is the yogurt and lemon face mask. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens your skin, while lemon juice helps to even out your skin tone. Mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with cool water, and you'll be left with a radiant, refreshed complexion. Avocado isn't just delicious, it's also fantastic for your skin. Our next mask is the avocado and banana face mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats that moisturize and nourish your skin, while banana helps to improve its elasticity. Mash half a ripe avocado and half a ripe banana together until smooth. Apply the mixture to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. You'll be amazed at how supple and glowing your skin looks. Are you ready for a mask that will brighten and rejuvenate your skin? Introducing the turmeric and yogurt face mask. Turmeric has incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, while yogurt soothes and moisturizes your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off gently with lukewarm water, and get ready to glow. Last but not least, we have the honey and aloe vera face mask. A true beauty elixir. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, and aloe vera soothes and calms your skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse it off with cool water. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and look luminous. That wraps up our journey through these wonderful homemade face masks. Whether you're looking to exfoliate, moisturize, brighten, or soothe your skin, there's a DIY mask for you. So, go ahead, treat yourself, and let your natural radiance shine through. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay beautiful, inside and out. And I'll see you in the next video.